Hey YouTube, some city driving at night. Just to continue my previous POV video. See how this car is at night. I did not say in the previous video about the not commodities, the things that from a safety perspective that this car provides. It has ESP, it has start-stop function. It has this lane assist thing, although it does not have cruise control. However, it has lane assist, which I usually turn all those systems off when I start the car, and that's about it. And also this, I don't know if you can see this button here, the set button for the tire pressure. So you set it, and if the tire pressure becomes less than the set pressure, then it gives a warning sign. Now I've done almost half, less than half a tank, and I have 331 kilometers already in the odometer. So I think that with full tank it goes more than 600 kilometers, and it's 600 kilometers most that are done in the city, in traffic like this, stop and go. Okay, it would be easier if it was an automatic for stop and go traffic, but still the consumption is rather good on this car. One other thing I did not mention is that the hill stop function, which is a good thing. And remember, this is the base model. There are no electric windows in the back. The mirrors are manually controlled. No electric mirrors. No GPS, but it has this thing here to put your phone, I think, which is nice to have as well. It's a 3-cylinder engine, so it's a bit noisy. Can hear it, but the turning radius of this car is very nice. The wheels are small, I believe it's 14-inch wheels, but still it handles well for such a small car, and even at highway speeds, we will go see in a bit, around 100 kilometers or more. You cannot buy it new anymore, it's only used now, but very fuel efficient, and you don't have to worry about hybrid systems and batteries and stuff like that. And if you put your floor on second gear, it accelerates because it's a very light car, although it has only 60 horsepower. Flat out, it kind of pulls. The one bad thing that I have noticed is that it tends to fog the lights with the temperature I have, and if I put the hot air or even cold air for the windscreen, it makes not too much difference. So now we have the hot air on, and first gear. Let's make a nice pull. Let's pass with yellow light. brakes, as I said in the previous video, they're not the best, but I think they are capable. I've did some hard brakes on some occasion, again with speeds less than 100 kilometers, but yeah, they're up to the task. However, again, if you need to push the car more, probably not the best solution with this car. Gets too hot now, and leave it on purpose. I'm not gonna put the heater on, and you will see that the windscreens are all fog, and then for there's more people in the car, 2 or 3 people, that can fog even more. But in general, you can see that the car really accelerates, can keep up with traffic. I mean, it's a great little car. I mean, and the brakes, are up to the test. Has a temperature reading as well, and no a temperature for the outside temperature, no temperature reading for the engine, but okay, that's something to be expected at this price point. There's no need to have a temperature or oil gauge or stuff like that. Again, let's brake here, and is a city car that's more than potent, and there are versions of this car with 75 and 115 horsepower thing with different engines. The 75, it's the 1.0 liter engine. There's also an engine with gas, and I think it's also an electric one. Lots of options. Again, foggy launch screen with 12.45 outside temperature. RPM, we're switching gears, almost at speed limits. Somewhere in Mexico. Trying to almost missed here. I have put it in full hot. The front screen is good, but the side, let's open the windows up. Really nice. Second gear. We can keep up with this Suzuki in front of us. Fourth gear, fourth pull, and we're over the speed limit again. that's about it with the Volkswagen Up. Some night driving. The lights are efficient if you have efficient lighting around, like we have here. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.